Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Peaches from Lovers for Healthy Life, and as you can see, I'm out here in my watermelon fields where I have watermelon and also some ground cherries and peppers, and getting ready to clean out not this space over here because this is doing really well, but I have a space over here that I'm working on. I've already cleaned out this area right here. This were some tomatoes, and I still have some tomatoes to clean out right here, and these are peppers growing right here. You can see these are peppers growing right there, and I have more peppers growing right there. So I'm cleaning out this area. Actually, these were beans. Well, these were right here were tomatoes, and then right here were beans. So I'm going to be cleaning out more tomatoes right there, and clean out a big space near the front where my beans are growing, where I'm going to be planting my winter crops. I'm going to be planting some pumpkins, some more winter squash, that kind of thing, and maybe I'm going to be planting some pole beans because I'm all done with the bush beans. We had a lot of bush beans this year, and I wanted to go ahead and plant more pole beans because it's easier to harvest the pole beans when they're on a pole rather than on the ground. It's like no one wants to help me do my harvesting. So anyways, I want to show you my ground cherries, and these are so delicious. Let me turn the camera around and show you my ground cherries. So right here are my ground cherry. So this is my ground cherry, and as you can see, I have a lot of ground cherries over here growing, and when they're green like this, you don't want to harvest them. You want to wait until they turn brown, almost, can you hear that? Almost like pepper, and they are so delicious. So it pops open like this. Oops, you see that? And then you just take them and you eat them. Oh my goodness. They are so delicious, full of flavor, a great garden snack. They are so delicious when you want something sweet and more healthier. I have two large ground cherry bushes growing right here. It looks like three, but there's only two. Okay, so then over here are my watermelon. I'm trying to make them grow like in between my area here so I can still walk around and get to my pepper plants. Trust me, this was not planned out, but it just worked out this way. And here's another pepper plant. I believe this is a Thai chili pepper plant. Yeah, these are Thai chili because the way they grow. So they definitely are the Thai chilies. And right here are the sunshine chilies. Right here, sunshine chili plants. I have so many hot pepper plants, and I think I told you in another video I grow my hot peppers because I make my own hot pepper powder, and it's really delicious. So I have watermelon that are coming up and growing. So many watermelon. Let me see if I can show you. There's some right there. I think I counted over like 30 watermelon growing in this patch, and I know all of them aren't going to make it, but I do have a good chance of maybe harvesting half a dozen of them, so I'm happy about that. So this is my bell pepper plant, and my peppers are doing really fabulous this year. I trellised them up with these old tomato trellises from Gardener Supply, and I've had these for several years now, and they're just peppers everywhere. Every branch has a pepper growing on them, even this late in August. And look at this. This is another tomato trellis, and there's just green peppers. And I had to put them on these trellises because I would come out here and my peppers were laying on the ground, so I had to put something a little bit more sturdier. And these work out really well. They're tomato trellises, and I don't grow my tomatoes on these trellises anymore, so they make perfect trellises for my peppers. Here's another one here for my peppers. Pepper here, another bell pepper, and this is another bell pepper over here. And these are actually multicolored peppers, but you know, I haven't, they haven't turned yet. I have orange ones and red ones, all different colors of peppers. So let's go over here to my watermelon field. See the sea of watermelon, and we're gonna harvest one in just a second. I grow these for my hubby, but I want to show you these peppers. Look at these peppers. This is my, I believe these are either my habaneros or my Scotch red bonnets. Let's see here. Yeah, these are my Caribbean habaneros right here. And look how many habaneros. Now I'm gonna wait for these to turn red. They do turn a beautiful red. I did harvest a couple of them, but they are a beautiful pepper. It's so hot. So I'm really loving that. There's a watermelon growing there, and this one is a Jubilee watermelon, and right here is a super sweet. I did grow some Charleston Grays. So those are the three types. The Jubilee right there, and then right here is a super sweet watermelon, and these two probably will be ready really soon, next week or so. I'll be harvesting these two. And that looks like a Charleston Gray right there. I'm pretty sure that's what that is, Charleston Gray. The first thing I want to harvest is this huge watermelon. This watermelon is so huge, and I believe this is going to be one of the biggest watermelon I ever grew, and it is ready to harvest, that's for sure. Well, my husband is getting to harvest this watermelon right here, and this one is huge. We're going to weigh it, and the closest tendril to it has already turned brown, so he's going to go ahead and harvest it. So I grow these for him because he really enjoys the watermelon. So you're gonna go ahead and cut it right there. There you go. I'll take these back. Careful, it's really heavy.
This is a big one. Oh yes,
that's a huge one. Okay, so my husband will find anything he can use to work out. I mean, it must weigh a lot. Is it heavy? How much do you think it weighs? Woo. We're gonna go weigh it.
I think easily.
Please don't drop it. How many?
20 pounds. Trace up, work out, look.
I think it's probably over 20 pounds, don't you think? Okay, guys, this is the reveal. 35.8 pounds, and this is my largest watermelon I've ever grown. So this is garden cleanup month. August is garden cleanup month. Look right here. I still have so many large tomatoes that are growing on the vine, and they look horrible. I mean, the tomatoes look good, but the vines look horrible. But I want to go ahead and let these ripen up. And okay, guys, so garden cleanup time, and I went and got these bags to help with the garden cleanup, and look, these are reusable. Not sure how long they'll last, because I had bags similar to these, but these seem to be a little bit stronger. And you get 4 of these for, I believe it was just a little over 20 bucks, $19.99 I think. But they're really heavy. They said, I think they're 72 gallons. And I'll leave a link in the description box if you're interested in getting these right here. But this is going to help me with my garden cleanup. I have to plant my beans so I can plant more beans and more peas, winter peas and winter beans in the garden. And right over here, I want to show you these peppers as well. I just wanted to tell you, this pepper plant right here is a grocery store pepper plant. These were the sweet bells, and they turned red, orange, and they stay green. And I saved the seed. They were organic, and look how nicely they're growing. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I had a red one. I'll pick that. Oh, it's almost red, but look at that one right there. You see the red one? Yeah. So these are doing really well. I really like. They're tiny, so they're really good for making. If you don't want to use a large bell pepper, you know, you can use these smaller ones in a recipe.